Hello everyone! Today's lesson is about relative prepositions. The relative clause is usually linked to the principal clause with a relative pronoun. The doctor who did my surgery is German. The principal clause is the doctor is German. We wanted to add more information about this doctor, so we used the relative pronoun who and added who did my surgery. To be more specific, we use who for people. The boy who has a blue bag is here, or we can say the boy that has a blue bag is here. When it's a complement relative pronoun, we use whom or that. The man, whom or that, you just talked to is my superior. We can also omit the relative pronouns and say, the man you just talked to is my father. We use which and that for objects. The phone, which or that, you bought me is broken. What can also be used as a relative pronoun. I don't see what your point is. We use whose to refer to a possession. I know someone whose son is a doctor. Where and when are also used as relative pronouns. China is the country where the pandemic started. 2003. It was the year when an earthquake hit Algeria. We also have non-defining relative prepositions. They usually are separated with commas. Adriana, who hates mathematics, is an excellent student. This man, whom you met last night, works at the Navy. Very good. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!